Hi Chintan.
Hi.
Very nice meeting you.
Likewise.
So Chintan is the founder of Rebhu Computing, and Chintan, I'll let you tell us what is this your startup about?
So we enable visual perception and autonomous control in unmanned vehicles. So we are active on 4 categories of vehicles that are construction vehicles, unmanned ground vehicles, driverless tractors, and autonomous mobile robots. So what we do is we deploy cameras on the vehicle, and that camera feed is taken into a processing hardware, and we process the video feed and give that vehicle understanding of its environment. Once it understands the vehicle, it can navigate that environment. So you can see that there are key features that are being detected by a software, and these key features help the vehicle identify where it is going forward.
Okay.
So that is what we do, and we are already active on driverless tractors, and these tractors are deployed in Bidar, Karnataka, Bangalore, Karnataka.
Driverless tractors are already running.
Yes,
in India.
Okay,
interesting.
And one of our client already has a manufacturing facility in UP, and they are manufacturing driverless tractors in India itself.
Okay, so you mentioned 4 areas where mostly these are deployed right now, right? Which of these is your primary in terms of the traction you've gotten so far?
So right now we have got major traction in unmanned ground vehicle sector. So these unmanned ground vehicles are majorly used for farm use cases. These are in for vineyards and orchards, palm tree farms, chili farms. These are where we have found most traction.
And are there other competitors in India?
So right now we have a few competitors, but majority of our competitors are from the western part of our western hemisphere. So these are 7sense AI from Switzerland, Polymath Robotics from the US.
Okay, and you're the Indian startup who's doing this.
Yes.
So we're hearing about driverless cars going around in California, right? And it's coming to India very soon and all. So is this a technology which these cars will already have? Is this something like that?
So of course, autonomous driving will be available in the market soon. But before that, what we'll see is we'll see non-passenger vehicles. The adoption of autonomy will be much more in non-passenger vehicles.
Interesting. So how old is the company?
So we registered in 2021, and my co-founder and I, we have been working together since 2017.
Wow. And how did you come up with this idea? Like, what made you think this problem I need to solve?
So we have been working on a lot of computer vision problems, and we realized that a lot of companies, the approach that they have taken towards autonomy is in the direction that they will build a very large model, and that large machine learning model will be capable of solving all the problems and challenges of autonomous driving. But we have taken a separate approach. We take a cyber-physical approach where we create a 3D map of the environment, and then we use a physics engine to help vehicle understand where it is, how to avoid collision, how to move forward, how to plan its path. So that way we have taken a separate approach, and that is where we distinguish ourselves.
Right. What kind of revenues are we doing right now?
So right now we are in early stage of our revenue. We hit around 2.5 lakh per month.
Okay. And are you raising funds, or have you raised
Yes,
funds?
we are raising next round. We are in the middle of our next round, and our target is 18 CR, and we are incubated at TIDES IT Roorkee. So we work out of IT Roorkee's Greater Noida campus.
You were from IIT? You studied there?
Yes, I did, but not IT Roorkee. I did my BTech from Indian Institute of Technology, ISM Dhanbad.
That's where you started thinking about the product.
Yes.
Great. Very nice
Likewise.
talking to you.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.